And this is the main reason why I don't do skincare routine vlogs even if I want. Because I am afraid to show everyone. The only thing that made me hate mirrors all my life.
pH Care Coolant has active.
This video is brought to you by Philippines with care.
pH Care.
Since day one, I've been showing you my real self. Pretending isn't my cup of tea. So everything you see, whether it may disgust some of you or not, I never cared. Because it's just me, being myself. Except one thing, my biggest insecurity, which is my skin. And this is the main reason why I don't do skincare routine vlogs even if I want. Because I am afraid to show everyone. The only thing that made me hate mirrors all my life. And it took me a lot of courage to finally share you this.
Are you nervous?
Go first. I'll take a video of you.
Yes, yeah. Are you nervous? Are you gonna cry again?
And guess what? I just beat the record of having the most horrible skin among their patients. Lahat ng kamag-anak ng cystic acne yata pumunta na sa mukha ko. Kung alam niyo lang talaga kung gaano ko ka-nervyos kada papasok ako sa pintuan ng klinik na to. Kasi di lang naman yung sakit ng pagpisil nila sa tagyawat ko yung iniiyak ko. Pati na rin yung kakaunting self-confidence na natira sa sarili ko paubos na. Or should I say, ubos na. Sigurado may mga magko-comment niya na magsasabi na bawal pisilin ng tagyawat. Yun ay kung ikaw lang ang magpipisil. Lalo na't kung kamay lang ang ginagamit na pagpisil. Because if you push some of the contents inside the pimple deeper into the skin, which often happens, you increase inflammation. So when you pop pimples yourself, you also run the risk of getting an infection from the bacteria on your hands. Squeezing pimples and other acne blemishes may seem so simple that anyone can do it, but there is an art to doing it right. Dermatologists use a few different techniques to physically get rid of acne. One is called acne extraction. To remove a large pimple or a painful acne cyst, they may also use a procedure called incision and drainage. It involves using a sterile needle or surgical blade to open the blemish and then removing what's inside.
꽃이 완전 만발이죠. 벚꽃 다 폈을 텐데.
좋아. 행복해?
Acne extraction is usually offered when other acne treatment fails to clear the skin. It's rarely a first choice because it takes time and can be expensive. So obviously, I already tried any possible way to get rid of my acne, but I just can't. Or should I say, they just really don't wanna fucking get lost. At syempre, alam ko na mga sasabihin ng ibang tao dyan. Bakit kasi anong pinaglalagay mo sa mukha mo? Pati mo kasi tantanan yung mukha mo. Ako nga, safeguard lang yung nilalagay ko, hindi ako nagkakatagyawat. Ano-ano kasi mga sabon-sabon na mga nilalagay nyo. Hala, uy, kamusta ka na? Ba't nagkaganyan yung mukha mo? Uy, alam mo yung anak ni Kerdon? Uy, bunso! Ang dami palang tigyawat, no? Ano-ano kasi pinaglalagay sa mukha hindi mapakali, no? Bailintek kayo, mga ayo. Kung alam namin yung rason kung ba't kami nagkakatigyawat, edi sana hindi kami nagkatigyawat, diba? Ang kinis-kinis ng mukha namin, tapos dahil alam namin yung rason kung paano magkatigyawat, so naboard lang kami, kaya gusto namin ma-experience kung paano magkaroon o ano yung feeling ng magkaroon ng nana sa mukha. Sinong siraulo ang gagawin yun? Sige nga. Pero ang sakit talaga ng haplos ng bimpo. Swerte mo na nga, ikaw safeguard lang o kahit anong sabon, hindi ka nagkakatagyawat. Kami, kahit anong itry namin, kahit anong pag-eksperimento o kahit anong gastos o kahit anong produkto ang itry namin, hindi talaga tumitigil yung mga tagyawat namin. Ano sa tingin nyo? Gusto ba namin yun? O tapos sinasabi nyo, huwag ka kasi maglalagay-lagay ng kahit ano sa mukha mo. The more nga na hindi ka maglalagay, the more nagmagrabe yung mga tagyawat. Hindi yung maintindihan nyo kasi puro lang bunga ang pinapagana mo. Hindi ka man nga nag-iisip kung ma-offend ba o malulungkot o bababa yung self-confidence ng taong sinasabihan mo. Tagal ko hinintay ito. Yung vlog na to. Tinagalag ko talaga para lalo nyo maintindihan.
누가 얼굴을 만지고 있는데 잠을 자네. 누가 얼굴을 이렇게 만지고 있는데 잠을 자네요.
이제 좀 익숙한 거지. 다 자요?
아 진짜?
Sino ba naman ang hindi makakatulog sa sobrang pagod sa paglaban sa sakit habang pinipisil yung tagyawat? Take note ha, nagbibilang ako habang pinipisil yung mga tagyawat ko para hindi ko maramdaman yung sakit. Alam nyo? Nabilang ko 300 plus. Putya na nanaginip po. And this is my favorite part. Ang lamig sa pakiramdam. Malamig pa sa relasyon nyo. Medyo may kamahalan nga lang. Every session is worth 70,000 won. Or in Philippine peso, 3,020 pesos. Noong una ayoko talaga pumayag, pumunta dito kasi nga mahal. Pero dahil nga sa pagiging murahan ko, never pa talaga ako nag-heal completely. Plus, ang dami kong iniyak na gabi. Dahil, ang dami rin naming videos na hindi na-upload. Dahil, sobrang insecure ako sa sarili ko. At, ang pangit talaga. Kaya hindi niyo ako masisisi kung puro ako filter. Because actually, when I finally see myself in the mirror and go in front of the camera,
How do you feel?
I'm not being myself.
On fire, Jacob.
A completely different person from when we just got in the clinic.
내 얼굴 조금 아파요.
I can't even look at the camera directly. Filter is the only way for me to have enough confidence, even if it's just artificial. It's the only way for me to keep being myself in front of all of you. Because without all of this, makeup and filters, it's just a face that will never be the definition of beauty. Koreans really use so many skincare products in their face, so I also tried following that. So these are the Korean skincare products that they prescribed to me, and sadly, it didn't work. For more than 3 months of using them, huwag niyong pansinin yan dahil kakatapos ko lang i-prank si mama ko dyan. Sabi ko, nagpa-opera lang naman ako. Pero hindi talaga mas lang yan. So yeah, back to the topic. As I was saying, I started March. Until June, it still didn't work. So we finally decided to go to another dermatologist and tried having a laser. It has a lot of good feedback, so I just really hope for the best that it will also work for me. So ayan mga beshi, ako'y namamalat na. Nakikita nyo naman, update. Namamalat na din sila. Sanay naman na ako kahit medyo ma-update. Kasi nag-rejuvenating na ako dati. And sanay na ako sa update. Siyempre kapag pinanganak kang may tagyawat, talagang masasanay ka sa sakit. Parang laway. Ah! 1 week na. 1 week na ang nakakalipas simula nung nagpa-laser akitch. Ayun yung mga butas sa tenga ko. Tenga. Ayun yung mga butas sa mukha ko. Yung mga acne scars. O, diba? Kapapangit. Diyos me. Parang banat na banat yung dito ko. Pati nga buhok ko nag-dry dahil dun sa pinainom na lasakan na makakaalis daw ng oil sa katawan ko dahil nga sobrang oily ko. So yun lang. Update ko na lang kayo after siguro mga 1 month. Bye!
Smiley, smiley, little boy, jumping puppy, puppy word. Well, like a fairy tale comes true. It might be my
After few months na pag-take ng gamot, ayan, nakita nyo naman ang improvement mga maal. Kaso nga lang, sobrang nagbe-breakout pa rin ako sa jawline area ko.
If you get a lot of pimples around the mouth area, check your toothpaste. It might have a very high concentration of fluoride. Then the toothpaste that you need to use is either yung mga organic that you have to buy in healthy options, so usually mga baking soda or Sensodyne.
Pero, Doc, paano? Hindi nakaka-fresh yun usually.
Kaya nga eh, sorry. And then you put a mouthwash mo siguro, at least the contact is not so long.
Kaya wag na kayong magtaka kung lagi kong sinasabi na hindi ako maganda kada sinasabihan niyo ako maganda. Dahil alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako maganda. Yay! Wala na ako tagyawat at last wala nang nana. Although, meron pa rin talaga acne scars at ang hirap nilang tanggalin talaga, lalo na yung mga lubak-lubak. At hindi ko rin alam kung bakit ako nagsa-sign language, pwede naman ako magsalita. Lipstick na yan. Hindi ko pa maintindihan kung ano pinagagawa ko dyan. TikTok yata ako dyan. At hindi na rin po ako namamalat. Hindi na siya nagda-dry. My lips. Before, nagda-dry siya, diba? Ang pangit tingnan. Pero ngayon, wala na. Kissable na siya. Pwede mo nang lapen. Charot. At dito banda naman, wala nang mga tagyawat. At saka, ano na lang. Ano? Yakla na lang po sila, kadern. At yan ang mga maal, hindi ko masasabing clear skin na tayo kasi may mga acne scars pa rin. Kung baga sa daan, may amps pa. Pero tamo naman yung ano ko, yung noo ko. Naks! Yun nga lang, noo lang. So I sincerely apologize for not being true about my skin. But just because I didn't show you my true skin or my bare face, that doesn't mean that everything that I've shown you are just fake. No, I've been showing you the real me. It's just that it's really hard to fight when it comes on your flaws and insecurities. If I didn't use filters, if I didn't wear makeup to cover these flaws, it's really hard to be myself, to even throw jokes, to even look in front of the camera, because my insecurities are killing me. I know I've been always telling you to have courage and to not think about your insecurities, that you are always beautiful no matter what flaws you have. And it's because I know how it feels. How it feels to look in the mirror every single day, questioning about my self-worth, asking why am I not pretty like others? Why do I have to have these acne? Why can't I be just also beautiful, just like those pretty girls out there? Well, alam ko naman talaga kung bakit kasi nasa lahi talaga namin. Kahit si lolo ko, nagkatagyawa talaga. So, wala na akong magagawa. But I'm really thankful for having this experience. because I learned to be humble. I can clearly see the beauty in others even if they can't see it themselves. Alam niyo ba kung saan ko natutunan yan? Sa nag-iisang pinakamaganda kong mudra. Alam na alam niya kapag ayaw ko lumabas ng bahay o ayaw kong bumili ng yelo kasi ayaw ko makita ko ng ibang tao sa labas o ng mga kapitbahay namin dahil nga sa mga lintik kong tagyawat. Tapos andyan lang siya, sasabihan ako, nahayaan mo lang yan, tagyawat lang yan. Aalis din yan, maganda ka pa rin. To the people who love you, you are beautiful already. And that's not because they are blind on your flaws. It's because they so clearly see your soul. It's just that the people who care about you are willing to let you be imperfect and beautiful at the same time. Ayun, sobrang saya lang kasi for sure, kahit anong itsura ang ipakita ko sa inyo sa harap ng camera, tanggap nyo pa rin ako dahil napakita ko na yung totoong ako. Because all my life, I've been kind of discriminated on my own home country. They'll be like, you have so many pimples. This ain't pimples. I am Pinoy.